Good morning, this is Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This is actually pre-market right now, so the market doesn't open up for another 25 minutes, but Snapchat just had their earnings. So I'm going to try to do a pre-market trade here on Snapchat. If it can break down here through $17.50, my order is down here. Looking for 1,000 shares at $17.37. So the first step in that trade becoming a potential reality has got to get down through 1750. So I'll keep an eye on that, and if it looks like 1750 is going to fail, then I will get the video rolling again so we can see if it can shoot down there and fill me at 37 or not. All right, the market is now open, so that trade on Snap never did unfold. So I do have a couple of fishing orders now on CNAT and then SGMO. You can see the prices there, looking to go short on both of those. So let's see how the day unfolds. Entered in a couple more fishing orders out there. Re-added Snapchat at 1737, and then a short order there of HOLX at 44.35. So quite a few bobbers in the water. So no promises that I capture any of these fills live, just because at any moment, one of these could light up green. I'll do my best, but no promises. All right, looking to go short here on DDS at 52.25 before ideally it gets down there and breaks through that 52 round number. So first it's got to hit me at 52.25 though. So I will keep you updated. All right, short here, 600 of the 1,000. I have a stop loss in at 71. So this thing is either going to roll over for me. So now I'm just working my stop loss down, and it's not a question of if I make money, but how much money am I going to make? And this, as traders, is the spot that we want to be in. So like I said, I am just going to work my stop loss down. And again, not if I make money, but how much money am I going to make? And that's what we want as traders, just how much money. Talk about a stress-free situation to be in. Not if, but just how much. So out there for 43.46. I apologize. I just hit the bid. So I was not able to get the full shares that I wanted. You can see 600 of 1,000. So had I gotten 1,000, shoulda, coulda, woulda game, that gain would have been that much more. But 234 for the opening trade. And just a great setup there that I'd take, every single day. So let's see what else I can find. Okay, I'm going to order 1,000 shares at 38.37. See if I can get those. Got those. We'll look to build more. Or if I can take a quick little scalp here, I will gladly take that. And got the quick scalp for $120. So let's move on and find another trade. It is 9:52, so 22 minutes in the day, up $350. So happy with the start. But let's see what else I can find. Okay, looking to pick up 1,000 shares here at 37.75 on KSS again. So we'll see what happens there, but that is the current status. All right, it is 10:30, and I'm going to actually do something. We've had a ton of long videos, including last week. It was like 15 or 16 minutes. So I'm just going to wrap things up right now. Caught 2 trades and haven't even really been paying attention, to be honest. I got distracted, and then I randomly decided to make myself some coffee. So I don't know what I was thinking, but apparently in my subconscious I was very happy with the $350 in the opening 20 minutes or whatever that was, because I've been just BSing in the chat room lounge. We have multiple chat rooms. One is for just strictly alerts, and then we have the quote-unquote lounge where you just go in there and talk about whatever. So I've been spending some time in there. So it's just been, I haven't been necessarily paying that much attention. But regardless, still only an hour into the day and up 350, still over 5 hours left in the day. So yeah, more opportunity to make some trades here. But like I said, goal of this video, I'll just keep this short, try to keep it sub 5 minutes. So before I go though, a few things. If you enjoyed the video, maybe think this is way too short, just go through the playlist. There are a ton of other live trades where, like I said, last week the video was like 16, 17 minutes. But if you did enjoy the video, click that like button, check out the channel. Hopefully you decide to ultimately subscribe. If you're interested in trading alongside me, being a part of the chat room with other good solid traders, just go to claytrader.com and check out the inner circle. Maybe you have no idea what you really saw on the screen. You're very unfamiliar with charts, but you want to learn more about them. Then again, claytrader.com. I offer many training courses on that. So thank you as always for watching. Thank you to those of you that are always clicking that like button. I really appreciate it. I will see you back next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point.